This 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with an eat-in kitchen, updated bathrooms, separate laundry room with washer and dryer is a must-see. This home has a heated and air-conditioned garage with a workbench area, a great bonus for those who enjoy DIY projects or need extra space for hobbies. The laminated hardwood floors throughout the home add a touch of elegance and are easy to maintain. The location of the house in a nice subdivision with a pleasant neighborhood environment is undoubtedly a plus. Large fenced backyard with a shed, playset, and deck provides ample space for outdoor activities and relaxation. The convenience of being close to stores, restaurants, and easy access to the new I-69 makes commuting and running errands more accessible.